Hi everyone, and welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Let's analyze and watch together, folks. Let's start. It does seem like luck took a day off, especially when the road decided to play the slip and slide surprise. Sometimes slow and cautious wins the race against regrettable accidents. Speed may be thrilling, but the tortoise knew the wisdom of a cautious pace. Drive safe, arrive safe, arrive safe. Ha! A little roll reversal on the road. The truck leading the way while the truck bed takes a breather. That hill was definitely a Herculean hill for the heavy loaded trucks. Sometimes it's really an easy thing to make man happy, no matter how old he is, always like a kid. Those little slips and falls are a rite of passage in childhood. This truck experienced a brake failure and caught fire while descending a long mountainous road. This truck experienced a brake failure and caught fire while descending a long mountainous road. It seems like today is a lucky day for the driver of this truck, to avoid having to search for another detour. These tires could win the title of world's unluckiest tires. They've encountered more unexpected events than a roller coaster ride. If only tires could share their tales of misadventures, they'd have quite the gripping story to tell. A reminder that not every path is suitable for the big boys of the trucking world. Sometimes even the mightiest have to bow to the limitations of the terrain. 4 heavy-duty vehicles just to escort this colossal truck? That's like a grand motorcade for the king of the road. Talk about multitasking. The truck bed is proving its versatility. It's not just for hauling goods, but moonlights as a swimming pool on wheels. A split-second heart stopper. That truck had a close call, a hair-raising moment flirting with the abyss. This mighty truck must have been carrying a heavyweight champion load to experience such a steep drop. It's a testament to the power of physics. Talk about being on a bridge control power trip. The way that person handles the controls for this enormous bridge beam, you'd think they'd been doing it in their sleep. A true act of bravery. That courageous man leaping into the cabin of the truck about to tip over. The perfect dance floor for vehicles that love a little slip and slide action. This tanker truck does have that SWAT smoke bomb vibe, ready to unleash a smokescreen worthy of any high-stakes operation. The ultimate truck dance mix-C, where the only thing shaking harder than the beats is the truck itself. Indeed, that was a fortunate turn of events. The separation of the truck bed from the cabin likely saved the person inside from serious injury. That heavy equipment operator looked like they were celebrating a goal from a famous soccer player. A little mud drying action happening on the windshield. It's like nature's way of creating an abstract art piece. That guy had quite the adventurous spirit, thinking this little car could handle those long and massive steel beams. Smooth steering indeed. That yellow truck's self-healing act was impressive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.